Welcome, here I've got Xiaomi Redmi Note 10 and I'm gonna show you how to allow the camera app to scan QR codes at this device. So at first we have to tap on the camera button to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. From here let's go to the right corner to this button. When we tap on it we get access to more options about the camera we can manage. Now let's move to the left side to this settings button, so we can open here the advanced camera settings. And here we have to pick the smart suggestions, so for now we have scan QR codes at the second position with short information from the device that this can scan QR codes in the standard photo mode with the rear camera, so we have to remember to keep this and use this with the back one. By using this button from the right we can turn it off and turn it on as we need, but of course I suggest you to keep this turn it on because this is the easiest way to scan QR codes at this device, so you don't need any other app if you can do it by using your camera. And that's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.